Welcome back to part 2 of our CSS Buttons mini tutorial. In part 1 we discussed basically setting up the basic button using a href HTML link. In part 2 we're going to style the buttons a bit more and give them an effect when you click on them. So let's get going with that. So as you can see, we have our basic HTML page with our 4 buttons there: white, red, blue and green. So what we're going to do here is we're going to give it a state, an active state. Basically what this means here, we added this in here. Active state means on click. When you click it, it will do something. So here I've decided when you click this, it's going to change the border from black to white. So we'll click on one of these. Yeah, it's a good start. But the buttons look a bit bare, a bit plain. So let's give them a nice background. So for the red button, I'm going to replace this CSS code with other CSS code to give it a gradient effect. So it'll be light red to dark red. Now I've removed this background red. You'll see why in a second. I've added new code. So here we go. Looks like a lot, but it's not that much. Let me just open this out so you can see it properly. As you can see, I've kept the color the same. Font color, background color. This is just your standard background red, which works on all browsers basically. Then we come down here for Firefox browsers. We have the Movi WebKit here. Then for Chrome and Safari, another WebKit one. Then for newer versions of Chrome and Safari. For obviously Opera, MS Microsoft for IE10 and above. Then just a standard one here for W3C. Then we have obviously our older browsers, especially in Internet Explorer. We'll have use this one, filter, and this is obviously a bit more of a technical type of CSS, but you have it in there anyway. But as you can see with all of them, all their basic start and finish colors. Start, finish. Same as this one down here, start and finish. So let's see how that looks on the red button. Now that looks a lot better. So let's copy over for our blue and our green buttons into our style sheet. Take the blue, replace that, and we'll take the green and replace that. Now as you can see, our buttons are looking a bit more like buttons. So there it is there, the CSS code in full. We got our red, our blue, our green buttons. You can pause this and go through it later and get to see it properly. We have our button active state, that's basically on click. So when we click on it, what changes is we change the border from black to white. Gives it the effect as if it's being pushed down. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll be back again with something else. If you have any requests or want to know something in particular, just leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for stopping by.